Next is carbon use பண்ணி எப்படி reduce பண்ணலாம். அது carbon monoxide வச்சு பார்த்தோம். இப்போ கார்பனை வச்சு எப்படி reduce பண்ணலாம். In this method, the oxide ore of a metal is mixed with coal. Coal means it is nothing but a coke. Coal and coke are same. Difference, the only difference is carbon oda percentage வேற level இருக்கும். That is the difference between charcoal, coke, everything, and it is heated strongly in a furnace, usually in a blast furnace, and this process can be applied to the metals which do not form carbides. So எதெல்லாம் carbide form பண்ணாதோ அந்த மெத்தட் மட்டும் இதுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணுவாங்க with carbon at the reduction temperature. So here zinc oxide reacts with carbon to give zinc and carbon monoxide, and manganese oxide reacts with carbon to give manganese and carbon monoxide will be removed. Chromate ion will dichromate will react with carbon to give chromium and carbon monoxide will be removed. We can also do this process in the presence of hydrogen also. So if you react with the hydrogen, what will happen? எந்த மாதிரி மெட்டலுக்காக நம்ம ஹைட்ரஜன் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா அயன், லெட், காப்பர் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுக்கு விச் இஸ் ஹேவிங் லெஸ் எலக்ட்ரோ பாசிட்டிவ் கேரக்டர் மெட்டல்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே நம்ம ஹைட்ரஜன் மெட்டல்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி we can do the reduction. So silver oxide can be reduced with the help of hydrogen to get pure silver. Same way iron oxide also. And nickel oxide can be reduced to nickel by using a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. So nickel alone can be used to reduce. We can use carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So nickel oxide alone, we have to use a combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen to reduce that into an metallic nickel. And using a metal itself, metallic oxides இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை எப்படி reduce பண்ணணும்? Reduction by metalல metallic oxides like chromate can be reduced by an aluminothermic process which we can reduce. Already you would have studied this in your 10th standard. So in this the process, the metal oxide is mixed with aluminium powder oda iதை mix பண்ணி and it is placed in a fire clay crucible. Fire clay crucible now which is highly strong and thermal resistant, so it will be not breaken, it will not broke up when it is heated high in a high temperature also. So அது உள்ள நம்மளுடைய ஆக்சைடு எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த ப்ராசஸ் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக we have to give an ignition mixture. That is usually magnesium and barium peroxide will be used as an ignition mixture. So barium oxide reacts with magnesium to barium oxide and magnesium oxide. So during இந்த above reaction நடக்கும்பொழுது நிறைய ஹீட் இவால்வ் ஆகும்பொழுது நமக்கு இந்த conversion of oxide நடந்துரும், which facilitates the reduction of dichromate by aluminium power. So நம்ம barium oxide and magnesium ஒரு temperature heat create பண்ணுறதுக்காக we are using. So இது நிறைய heat energy create பண்ணோம் and finally we will get the metal oxide converting into its own metal. And active metals such as sodium, potassium and calcium can also be used to reduce the metal oxide, like boron trioxide with that is sodium, magnesium, calcium, இதெல்லாமே highly reactive metals. So இவங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து it could be used to reduce metals like sodium, potassium, calcium எல்லாமே metal oxides reduce பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Finally, auto reduction. Auto reduction could be asked in 2 marks also. Simple roasting of some of the ores give the crude metal. In simple roasting na, with the presence of oxygen, not more amount of heat, generally நம்ம நார்மலாக எதுவுமே ஆட் பண்ணாமல் சிம்பிளாக ரோஸ்டிங் பண்ணும்போது we will get the metal. So in such cases we have to use a reducing agent. It is not necessary. So normally அதுவே reduce ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா we no need any reducing agent. For example, mercury is obtained by roasting of its ore cinnabar. So இந்த HGS இருக்குல்ல, that is mercury, that is cinnabar is a ore of an mercury. இது டைரக்டாக நம்ம ஆக்சிஜனோட வச்சு ரோஸ்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we will get mercury. We don't need to add any other reducing agent. We call it as an auto reduction. So today we have seen how to convert the concentrated ore into its crude metal. So 2 steps. One is conversion of its metal oxide. The other one is the conversion of that metal oxide into its metal. That is a reduction process. In reduction itself we saw auto reduction, reduction by metal, reduction by hydrogen, reduction by carbon monoxide, smelting. and in conversion of metal oxide we had roasting and calcination. So these are the important steps which is involved in the conversion of extraction into its ore. In the next class we will see the purification and thermodynamical principles which are all involved in this metallurgical processes also we will see in the next class. So kindly do your assignments, be regular in sending your assignments, follow the videos regularly, please don't take it very easily, follow the subjects from the beginning so that you will have a good follow up for your examination. Thank you.